Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy you joined us today because we're diving into a skill that affects every part of your life: writing and communication. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever opened a notebook or created a new document on your laptop and suddenly felt your brain freeze? The page is empty, your ideas disappear, and you think, where do I begin? That fear of the blank page is very real. Students feel it, adults feel it, business professionals feel it, but today we're going to break that fear. We're going to explore practical ways to transform writing from something stressful into something powerful. And we are going to talk about modern tools, especially AI, that help you become a stronger, clearer, and more confident communicator. By the end of this video, you'll have new techniques, new strategies, and new inspiration to help you write better and express yourself confidently. Let's get started. Many people think AI is only for complicated science or advanced technology. But the truth is, AI is already helping millions of people write better every day, and you can benefit from it too. Think of AI as your writing partner, a tool that gives you ideas, checks your grammar, and helps organize thoughts, and of course, teaches you as you write. Let's break it down. One of the hardest parts of writing is starting. When you don't know how to begin, the whole task feels impossible. AI changes that. You can simply ask, give me ideas for a paragraph about recycling. And instantly you get opinions like reducing waste at home, separating rubbish correctly, saving energy, protecting the environment, teaching children about recycling. Suddenly, you have directions, you have content, you have a plan. With those ideas, your brain wakes up and starts connecting thoughts. This alone can save you hours of stress. Even if you have ideas, organizing them can be difficult. AI can build outlines that guide you step by step. For example, you're writing about healthy eating. Ask, create an outline for a paragraph about healthy eating. And you might get something like why healthy eating matters, examples of healthy foods, how it improves energy and mood, and tips for eating better every day. This structure makes writing smoother and more logical. It's like having a teacher next to you showing you the right direction. And of course, you can use online grammar checkers. Most grammar checkers only show what's wrong, but AI explains why it is wrong, so you can learn and improve. For example, if you write, she don't like coffee, AI says, use doesn't with she, he, and it. It's small, but these corrections build your skills over time. Another example, the informations are useful. For example, this is your sentence. AI explains that information is uncountable, so use the information is useful. This turns every mistake into a learning opportunity. You can ask AI for creative help anytime. For example, give me 3 interesting ways to start a story about summer vacation. And the possible answers you get from AI are these 3. The sun was rising when I realized this would be the best summer of my life. Another possible answer. All I wanted was a quiet vacation, but the universe had different plans. Very interesting. How about this? The last day of school felt like freedom. These openings can spark your imagination. No more staring at walls, no more wasting time, and no more fear of what do I write. It's so helpful. Now let's talk about something really important. Writing is not only essays and homework. We write every single day. Messages, comments, emails, questions, replies, etc. Whether it's personal or professional, your writing shows your personality and your confidence. Here's how to make your everyday writing stronger. Be clear and concise. Many learners try to sound very formal or advanced, but long, complicated sentences often confuse the message. For example, instead of saying, I am writing this particular message in order to ask if it would be possible for you to send me the report because I need to check something. Oh, too long. Try, could you send me the report? I need to check something. It is shorter, cleaner, and of course, more effective. This is true for English exams, work emails, and friendly messages. Use your tone correctly. Tone matters. The same message can sound polite, friendly, rude, or formal depending on the wording. Listen to these 3 sentences. Could you please send me the file today? Hey, could you send me the file today? Can you send it today? The first one is formal, the second one is friendly, and the last one is quite casual. Learning tone helps you build better relationships. Use app features to improve communication. Messaging apps help you express yourself better. Emojis. Emojis show emotions. Bold text highlights important points. Voice messages show tone. Bullet points. You might have used them. Bullet points help organize information. Reactions show quick acknowledgement, like I got your sentence, I got your message, done, or liked, like that. You become a faster and more effective communicator. Here are exercises you can do right now. Pause the video if you want extra thinking time. Ready? Try improving this sentence. Yesterday, I go to the market. Are you thinking? Could you improve it? Ready? Did you say, yesterday I went to the supermarket? You've got it. Nice. Use the past tense went with yesterday. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. Try to make it more interesting. The sentence is this. The book was good. Upgrade it. Think for a second. How can you make this sentence more interesting? Are you thinking? Do you have any ideas? Yes? Look at my samples. The book was exciting and full of surprising moments. It kept me turning the pages all night. I loved the characters and the story was powerful. Learn to express ideas more deeply. Which sample did you like better? What was your sentence? Write it down in comments. Okay, and the last exercise for today. Imagine your friend is late. Write a polite message. What would you write? Think. You are meeting your friend and your friend is late. What would you write to your friend? Do you have any ideas? What do you think about one of these? Hey, are you on your way? Just checking. Will you arrive soon? No worries, take your time, just let me know when you're close. Try to become a natural communicator. Now that you understand how these tools can help, here's how to continue becoming a better writer. Practice daily for 5 minutes. Write a short paragraph, a message, or a note. Ask AI to check it and learn from the feedback. Keep a mini writing journal. 1 or 2 sentences a day is enough. For example, today I felt tired but productive. I learned a new word, efficient. Over time, your writing becomes smoother and more natural. Explore online communities. Join forums, writing groups, English learning communities. Share your ideas, read others' messages, ask questions. You learn from real people. Remember, writing is a skill, not a talent. You don't need to be born good at writing. You become good by practicing consistently. And now you have tools to help you. Don't fear the blank page. You own it. Thank you very much for listening to me today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to improve their writing. And remember, your voice matters. Your words matter. Practice, you can become a confident communicator in any situation. See you in the next video.